TGIF. Thank God it's Friday, the abbreviation of, and it is Friday in Stockholm, Sweden, and everyone else in the world. Today at least, not sure if it's gonna be the same day when you watch this video, but yes, it is 11th of October 2024, and I am once again exploring the beautiful nudist beach spot here in Flaten Nature Reserve and lake known as Ekudden. The weather is cold, as you can see from the landscape and from the leaves that start to get yellow slowly but steadily. And yes, it is autumn on the northern hemisphere, and more specifically in Sweden, and we have quite a cold day, 8 degrees Celsius currently. It is noon, 12 o'clock, and I am out for a lunch swim here in Ekudden Flaten Nature Reserve. Yes, I have took again my Scott gravel bike for this expedition of 8.5 kilometers one way, so it's gonna be 17 back and forth to my home. So quite nice and pleasant ride. Mostly it was cycling road, cycling tracks, and then a bit of a 1.5 kilometer into the woods here, as I have passed by also a nice white horse that I have seen. And it has been raining for 2 full days in Sweden, as you have seen from my previous videos and my previous 2 beach adventures from Hornsberg and Augusta Naturistbad. Today the rain has stopped and there's gonna be some sun tomorrow, hopefully. And oh, here we have poisonous mushrooms. Do you know these mushrooms? I know them from the Smurfs, but also from biology lesson from school. Yes, these are very poisonous and you might die if you eat them, so don't, definitely don't. Yes, so Ekudden, this is an unofficial nudist beach spot on the beautiful lake of Flaten, and the lake looks indeed stunning, and despite being a bit cold, I'm really looking forward to my swim here at Ekudden in the Flaten Nature Reserve. And I just measured in the lake, and to my surprise it's still warm. It is 14 degrees Celsius in the lake, and the lake, it is super still and nice, and when it is warmer in the lake it feels quite more appealing to go in for a swim. Here I still see a lot of plants in the lake, so I will go on this side for a swim now on this 11th of October. And that is actually a national holiday in Macedonia, my home country, the day of the revolution during the World War II. Indeed. Cool, so let's then get going. I think that this part also here wasn't underwater, but I guess because of the rain now it has more water here. So it's interesting indeed. So let's get going and go in for a swim here at Flaten, in the Flaten Lake. Okay, nice. Now the wind is back, it makes things more complicated when you go out especially, but I think I'm gonna be good with this temperature. It's still quite nice, and this is beach number 169 of my Sweden beach adventure, so we are getting closer and closer to the goal to beat last year's record, which is 200 beach days. So alright, time for a swim at this nudist beach spot in the Swedish nature on this 11th of October. Let's go! very nice. It's not that cold, especially for me, as I'm swimming every day, so the body is adapted. And I have already been taking a swim at 12 degrees last week, so my body knows this temperature. So 14 degrees in the lake, 8 outside, and with this wonderful view, it's time to wrap up yet another beach adventure on my channel. And tomorrow is the celebration of beach number 170, so I need to think which beach should I show you. So yep, that's a wrap from Ekudden, Flaten Nature Reserve. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!